Oke cuy, welcome back di channelnya Isal Bojal Anjas. Hari ini Bang Sal mau ngechat sama Bang Ocin. Cat velg motor beat palang 5 warna non? Warna biru. Biru naon itu teh? Kenapa biru rahasia cuy?
Biru tahi.
Tahi mah koneng. Ini dia velgnya udah dihamplas ya guys. Ini teh mau di poxinya. Mual guys, beda ini mah cuy. Tanpa poxy kita langsung dikasih warna biru naonnya Yamaha non. Pokoknya mah
Biru gunung.
biru gunung, biru dongo. Kok nama beda cuy, ini mah gak pakai poxy, gak pakai dasar dulu. Langsung warna biru, nanti kita lihat hasilnya seperti apa cuy dan ketahanannya anjas. Tangan Dewa Ocin Speed mah pasti kuat ini mah. Bibing salabim.
Biru tahi ayo.
Ayo tai mana? Tai Persib. Ini velg Satria FU ya di video sebelumnya, dan ini di video apa namanya anjing deh. Ini velg FU di video yang satu lagi. Sekarang velg beat coy tanpa poxy, biru dongo. Eta poxy teh. Oh, itu kasih berat deh mah. Silver. Ini warna silver cuy. Bagus. Acan tuh masuk kene. Tanpa poxy nih guys. Langsung ke tahap kedua dan ketiga.
Ini kayak paru dia. Amplasnya.
Amplas benang cokor.
Angkat ya.
Koyak ya guys ya. Ininya nyangket. Ocin juga mengadang aja. Anjing ditutupan. Pokok nama beda ini mah cuy. Sedikit eksperimen. Ieu mah sabab teu pake poxy ge edisi hemat jeung kahoyong nu gaduna cuy. Velg Ocin Speed ieu mah sakahayang. Yang penting jadi. Dan kita cek kanjas motor beatnya. Cuma tuh velgnya udah lama birunya cuy.
Kayak cokor ngamplasnya ini.
Amplas cap cokor.
Trouble. Jadi guys, ada
yang kerja guys. Cik.
Oh. Nah, welcome to back channel. Woi, kayak kopor euy.
Anginna malik tuh.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. On yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself